If you need to drill through porcelain tile, stop before grabbing a regular masonry bit or a regular tile and stone bit. Porcelain is much harder than ceramic, and using the wrong bit usually means a burnt up drill bit, or worse, a cracked tile. I'm using the BOSCH Porcelain tile hex bits, and here's how to get through porcelain without ruining anything. First, mark your hole location. It helps to put a small piece of painter's tape over the spot because it helps keep the bit from wandering when you start. Even better, a few pieces can help create a small groove that allows the tip of the bit to rest into. If your drill has it, turn off hammer mode. You want standard drilling only. Set your drill to a low or a slow speed. High speed creates a lot of heat, and too much heat is what kills bits fast when drilling through porcelain. Depending on your hole size, I like to start with the smallest bit to create a tiny indentation before switching to a larger bit. Think of it as a little crater or hole that the larger bit can start from. Similar to the tape idea, you really want to make sure that the bit doesn't wander or walk on you. Begin with light pressure. Do not force it. Let the bit slowly grind through the glaze. The first few seconds are the hardest because the surface is slick and extremely dense. One of the biggest mistakes people make is drilling dry the entire time. Ever so often, stop and spray a little water on the hole and the bit to keep temperatures down. Cooler bits equal longer life. As you drill, pull the bit out occasionally to clear out dust and debris. That helps the bit keep cutting instead of overheating. But once you're through the tile layer, you'll usually hit cement board, drywall, or wood behind it. And at that point, drilling gets much easier. But stop there and don't continue to use the tile bit. Switch to the necessary bit for whatever your cement board is sitting on. A lot of times this is going to be your wood studs, but it could be block or brick. And if you're mounting something heavy like a TV mount, make sure your anchor size matches the hole size that you drilled. The biggest takeaway, slow speed, light pressure, and keep it cool. Rushing is usually what cracks tile or destroys the bit. And that's it. Clean tile through porcelain without a ton of frustration. Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Have a great day.